Yes, morning YouTube, morning. How you all doing this morning? Yes, this morning I'm gonna change out the oil pressure switch sensor. The oil pressure switch sensor is located, if you see where my finger is pointing at, right underneath here. This is the Cummins SRX engine. This is the Peterbilt truck, and that's where the oil pressure sensor is located, right there. If you notice, it have a lot of oil on it. It's leaking the oil through the sensor, so that's the reason why my oil pressure sensor is not working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out and replace it. This is the new one that I bought. That's the part number right there. So if you guys ever need oil pressure sensor, you need the part number. That's the part number right there. Is the SRX, Cummins SRX. Okay, and that's the engine right there. That's the mod and everything right there. That's the SRX engine. So this is what the new sensors look like. That's the new sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the sensor from underneath there. So I'm gonna get some tools and stuff like that and take the sensor out. You know what you guys have to do, there's a little clip thing on the sensor right here that you got to push, and you just kind of take your own time and wiggle it until you get that switch off. So as soon as I get the switch off and take the old sensor out, I'm gonna get back to you guys, okay? Alright, stay tuned.